We discussed about differentiability, points of differentiability, and to check whether a function is differentiable or not. All these things we discussed in the last class. And now it is about discussing the reasons for non-differentiability. There are certain reasons for the non-differentiability, and we are going to mention few reasons here. Okay? Among those, the first reason is very clear. Reason 1. In the last class we know that left hand derivative, if it is equals to right hand derivative, then the function is differentiable. Then reason 1 is simply, if left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative, then it leads to non-differentiability. Then f, the function is non-differentiable. That is reason 1. Then reason 2. Reason 2 is simply discontinuity. Okay, if the function is not continuous, then we can't find its derivative. For suppose coordinate system at point A. For suppose if we have a graph like this, at A the function is discontinuous. Okay, this is the graph of a function f of x, but at A there is no, see the graph is discontinuous. Since the graph is discontinuous at A, it leads to non-differentiability. So discontinuity is one of the reason. Discontinuity. Reason 2 is discontinuity. F is discontinuous at x is equals to A. If it is discontinuous, that implies it leads to non-differentiability. Basically, as we discussed in the previous class, differentiability or derivative is simply change in y divided by change in x. In the same way, if you think, since there is no connection, at A the graph is discontinuous, so we can't check the change at that particular point A. Okay, so discontinuity leads to non-differentiability. That's reason 2. And reason 3. Coming to reason 3, vertical tangent is one of the reasons for non-differentiability. For suppose if we have a vertical tangent at a particular point, then it leads to non-differentiability. That in a sense, for suppose at a point A, if suppose the graph is just like this, there are some functions where the graph looks like this. What it means? At the point A, if you observe, you will get a vertical tangent. Okay, at the point A you will get a vertical tangent, and see at these type of functions, see at these points for the functions, they are non-differentiable. So reason 3 is vertical tangent. Then reason 4. Coming to reason 4, if you observe the graph of a function, okay, if you observe the graph of a function, if the graph contains a sharp corner, what I am saying, sharp corner is reason 4 for non-differentiability. For suppose if you observe, if there is a function and whose graph is like this, at this point we have a sharp corner. Okay, we don't have smooth corner, we have a sharp corner at this point. So those points are lead to non-differentiability. What I am saying, for sure some functions are non-differentiable, and I am going to mention reasons for non-differentiability. If the graph of a function is discontinuous, then the function is non-differentiable at the point. If the graph of the function has a vertical tangent at a point, then it leads to non-differentiability. If the graph has a sharp corner, then it leads to non-differentiability. If left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative, then also the function is not differentiable. And reason 5, here I am mentioning, okay, reason 5 already we discussed it, continuity. In the same way, reason 5 is oscillating functions. If the graph of the function is oscillating, then those type of oscillating functions are also non-differentiable. Basically, there are 5 reasons for non-differentiability when you view from the graph side. Okay, so just observe the graph of the given function at the given point. if you observe the graph of given function at the given point, if the graph is following any one of these five regions, then we say that the function is non-differentiable. Okay, just have a look.